In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Snapchat on BlueStacks. By the end, Snapchat will be on the latest version inside your emulator, ready for you to use. Start by opening BlueStacks 5. If it is on your desktop, double-click the BlueStacks 5 icon, then wait a few moments. You will know it is open when you see the main BlueStacks home screen with your installed Android apps in a grid and a toolbar along the right side. If BlueStacks was already running, it should simply pop into view and you will be on that same home screen. From here, click System Apps. You will usually see the System Apps folder near the top left of the BlueStacks home screen with a small blue folder style icon. When you click it, the folder will open and a short list of basic Android apps appears, such as Settings, Browser, and the Play Store. This folder is where BlueStacks keeps the core apps that come with the emulator. Now open Google Play Store. Click the Play Store icon inside that System Apps folder. After a brief load, the Google Play Store homepage will appear. You should see a search bar at the top, some app suggestions, and different tabs like Games and Apps. You are now inside the same Play Store you would use on an Android phone, just running within BlueStacks. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner. This is the small circular icon, often showing your Google account picture or a colored letter if you do not use a photo. When you click it, a menu slides down from the top right. This menu gives you access to account settings, payments, and your app management options. Many beginners miss this icon because it is small, so make sure you actually see the drop-down appear. From there, select Manage Apps and Device. Click that option in the drop-down menu. You will be taken to a new screen with two main tabs near the top, Overview and Manage. Under Overview, you will see information like how many updates are available and how much storage is used. This section is where you control updates for every app installed through the Play Store inside BlueStacks. Now look under Updates Available and find Snapchat. In the Overview tab, you should see a line that says Updates Available with a list of apps below if any need updating. Scroll through that list until you see Snapchat with its yellow ghost icon. If you do not see Snapchat here, it usually means it is already up to date in this instance of BlueStacks. Once you have located it, click Update. The button sits to the right of the Snapchat entry. As soon as you click Update, the Play Store starts downloading the latest Snapchat version and then installs it automatically. You will see a progress circle on the button, and when the update finishes, the button changes to Open, confirming Snapchat is now updated. You have just updated Snapchat to the latest version inside BlueStacks 5, so your Android Snapchat is now ready with the newest features and fixes. If this helped you get Snapchat updated smoothly, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple BlueStacks guides.